Be honest. How many times have you told yourself, tomorrow I'll finally fix my routine? You set the alarm for 5 a.m., imagine yourself studying, exercising, even cooking a healthy breakfast. But when morning comes, snooze, scroll, delay, and suddenly it's night again. If that sounds like you, don't worry. Every student struggles with routines, but once you master yours, you'll unlock more focus, more energy, and yes, even more free time. So today, I'll give you the perfect daily routine for students. Not one of those impossible 18-hour grind schedules, but a realistic, balanced plan that actually works. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share powerful habit psychology tips and real-life tricks students use to beat procrastination and enjoy their day. Why routine matters. Think of your brain like a phone. Without charging, updates, and smooth apps, it crashes. Students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they can't manage their time. A daily routine is your operating system. It prevents burnout, keeps you sharp, and gives you structure. Motivation will fade, but discipline, powered by a good routine, will carry you through. Morning routine. Forget about waking up at 4 a.m. You don't need that. The sweet spot is between 5:30 and 7. The world is quiet, no notifications, no distractions. Here's the key. Don't check your phone first thing. That's like letting 50 strangers dump their thoughts into your head before you've even brushed your teeth. Instead, get up, stretch, drink water, open your window, and let the sunlight wake your brain naturally. Start calm, not chaotic. Light movement, 5 minutes is enough. A stretch, a few push-ups, or walking around your room. Think of your body like Wi-Fi. If the router isn't on, your brain won't connect. Breakfast and hydration. Keep it simple. Oats, eggs on toast, or a smoothie. Your brain burns glucose, and skipping breakfast equals low energy and poor focus. And don't forget water. Dehydration feels almost exactly like laziness. Morning study session. Your brain is sharpest now. Use it for your hardest subject. 1 focused hour in the morning equals 3 hours at night. Try the Pomodoro method. 50 minutes deep work, 10 minutes break, no phone. Afternoon routine. This is where most students zone out. Don't just sit in lectures copying notes, learn actively. Write in your own words. Ask small questions. Summarize what you learned in 2 minutes after class. That alone will make revision 10 times easier. Lunch and reset. Keep it light. Protein plus veggies plus water. Skip the heavy fried meals that make you crash. After lunch, take a 15-minute nap or a quick walk. Think of it as hitting the reset button. Afternoon study session. This is not the time for heavy theory. Instead, do practice-based work. Problem solving, flashcards, essays, coding, anything hands-on. Save the deep thinking for mornings. Evening routine. By evening, your body is tired, so move it. 20 to 30 minutes of sport, running, walking, even dancing, anything counts. Exercise improves memory, focus, and sleep. Then switch gears to creativity. Play an instrument, draw, journal, work on a side project. Creativity prevents burnout and keeps life exciting. Evening study session. Keep it light, review notes, solve easy questions, and plan tomorrow. This way, you'll end the day feeling accomplished, not guilty. Night routine. Before bed, take 5 minutes to plan tomorrow. Write 3 to 5 specific tasks, like finish chapter 4 or solve 20 math problems. Writing it down clears your mind so you can sleep peacefully. And then, digital sunset. No screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Blue light tricks your brain into staying awake. Instead, read, journal, or listen to music. And finally, sleep. Never sacrifice it. Sleep is when your brain saves everything you studied into memory. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. So there you have it, the perfect student routine. Mornings are deep focus, afternoons are practice, evenings are movement and creativity, nights are reset and recharge. Follow this for 30 days and watch your focus, energy, and results transform. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend who keeps saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow.